Want to break down large projects into manageable phases with built-in payment checkpoints? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add milestones to your Upwork projects for better cash flow and project management. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Milestones are essential for managing complex projects. They keep work organized, provide natural review points, and ensure you get paid regularly throughout the project. Let me show you how to set them up effectively. First, access the milestone setup when creating or editing a fixed-price contract. In the contract terms, you'll see the option to add milestone or set up the project with multiple payment points instead of one lump sum. Structure milestones around deliverables rather than time periods. Each milestone should represent a specific, measurable outcome, like website wireframes complete or first draft of ebook chapters 1 to 3, not just week 1 work. Set clear criteria for each milestone, including the specific deliverables, due date, and payment amount. Make sure both you and the client agree on what complete means for each milestone before starting work. Space milestones logically throughout the project timeline. Ideally, set your first milestone payment to cover initial costs, with subsequent milestones at natural project checkpoints. This maintains cash flow while keeping the project moving forward. A crucial pro tip: always fund the first milestone before beginning work. This ensures the client is committed and you're protected by Upwork's payment system. Also, include a small buffer milestone at the end for final revisions or unexpected additions to avoid scope creep without compensation. And just like that, you've transformed a large project into manageable phases with built-in payment security. Milestones keep projects on track while ensuring you get paid for your progress. If this guide helps you structure your projects more effectively, please give it a like. What's your ideal number of milestones for a medium-sized project? Share your approach in the comments below. To continue mastering Upwork's tools, subscribe for our next video on how to track time with Upwork's time tracker. Thanks for watching.